Let me show you how to work a double crochet stitch, abbreviated DC for double crochet. So wrap the yarn around your hook from the back to the front, go into the indicated stitch in the pattern, make another yarn over here with your working yarn and pull it through. You now have 3 loops on your hook. We yarn over and pull it through the first 2 loops on your hook. You have 2 loops left on your hook and you yarn over and go through those last 2 loops for a double crochet stitch. Let's work one more together. Yarn over, go through the stitch, yarn over and bring up a loop. 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. There you have our double crochet stitch.